Hi, my name is Bart Elder.
I'm Bailey Boyer.
Ty HARTWICK.
My name is MEINDERS.
My name is Travis Core, and I'm the manager of the Forge Parts Department.
I'm a territory manager for the Forge division.
And I'm the marketing lead for our Forge Solutions department.
I'm the engineering manager for the Forge Solutions team here at Vermeer.
And I work in the baler assembly area.
I understand the needs of a farmer, being a farmer myself back in the 90s. Had a Vermeer 605 Super J baler that I started custom baling with and ran that for 2 years, and then traded that on a brand new 605K baler and operated that for another 3 years. So I understand the urgency of those customers, how important it is to have quality products and support from a dealer and keep that customer going.
I grew up on a farm, grew up showing cattle, grew up around machinery and equipment, and just really knowing what it's like for our customers and what their mindset might be. I certainly understood what our customers' challenges were. I understood what it meant to if you got only 2 cuttings instead of 3, or if you didn't have enough hay to go through the winter, or things got dry. And I feel like I can use that to allow us to produce better content, and content that's more relatable to our customers and what they do every day.
I run a farm myself. I got about 160 acres of row crop, plus some pasture and some hay for cows. I've had my own baler for about 20 years now. Started with the old F, I went to a K, now I'm running an M. So I've been through quite a few series of them already. So with that experience of being home running it, that gives me the opportunity to come back to work looking at them small details, making sure all the hardware is tight. Because customer, he's ready to go, and he wants it to work right.
I've grown up around Vermeer hay equipment most of my life. My grandpa worked here as a territory manager, so as a young kid, that was kind of the first color of iron I knew was yellow iron. We had a cattle operation, so we were putting up hay every summer. Kind of my biggest passion is making sure we've got the parts that the customers need when they need them. We want to make that as painless as possible.
I've been around Vermeer hay equipment as long as I can remember. My grandfather was a Vermeer ag dealer when I was a kid. One of my early responsibilities on the farm was running a Vermeer hay mower, the 3-point mower. So when putting together the team for the Forge engineering group, there's a high percentage of farm kids in that circle that grew up on the farm. There's a whole lot of people that understand what our customers do on a daily basis, and that is strategic, it's intentional.
And so that's what I love the most about Vermeer. You know, we're a team that's built up a lot of farm kids and a lot of ranchers and producers, and that really makes it enjoyable to come to work every day.
And one thing that I really love about my job here at Vermeer is the fact that I get to go out and work with these cattle producers, and I want to make sure that it's going to be a great experience for them.
Part of why I've enjoyed all my years at Vermeer is I still get to create on a daily basis, and I get to solve problems for people that really care and are really trying to do good things.